Welcome to my YouTube automotive channel. In today's video I have a 2016 Jeep Cherokee and I will show you how to engage or disengage the rear door child locks. This video will apply to Jeep Cherokees made from 2014 all the way up to 2023. If this video was helpful, please consider supporting the channel by liking the videos, subscribing to the channel or becoming a channel member. Okay, so right now I'm sitting at the rear seat and the point of child locks is to disable the rear door handles. Like right now, if I or a child tries to open this door, they will open, right? And now I will show you how to engage the child locks so this door handle is not working. So if you open the rear door, you will see the child lock right here on the edge of the door. And if I zoom it in, you will see a couple of symbols here. There will be like a small person and the unlock button. You can see this child lock is now at unlock. So all you have to do, you have to turn this to a lock position. Now you can do this using the key, which should be a part of your key fob, or anything else similar like a flat screwdriver or anything you have handy. And what I will do now, I will turn this to a lock position. That's it. See, there is like the lock symbol. This is the unlock symbol. If I sit inside this vehicle right now and try to open the door handle is completely disabled, and this door can be opened only from outside. And yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching this video. I hope it was helpful and educational. If it was, please like it and consider subscribing to my YouTube automotive channel. On my channel there is lots of how-to videos, do-it-yourself videos, car reviews, product reviews and other similar automotive topics.